I saw this recipe on TikTok and it looked delicious and simple to make, so I thought I'd give it a try. You don't need too many ingredients: a pound of ground beef, a stick of butter, pasta. I like thick spaghetti, but you could probably use whatever you wanted. Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, heavy whipping cream, a can of or jar of tomato sauce, and some green peppers and an onion. So you'll first want to chop up your peppers and your onions and toss them as well as the ground beef into a skillet, and then go ahead and fry that up. So while your meat and veggies are cooking, you're going to want to cook up some pasta in another pot. And while that's going, you'll go ahead, you'll add your tomato sauce. I like to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And then some seasonings. I have some garlic powder. And I have some basil. And some oregano. But you could add whatever seasonings you like. While everything else is cooking, you're going to want to melt up some butter. Add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And some Parmesan cheese to make your Alfredo sauce. And then just go ahead, let that heat up and thicken. And yes, I am a little bit all over the place with the camera. Sorry about that. Try not to make you dizzy. Once everything is ready, put your pasta in a baking dish. Then pour in your Alfredo sauce over top. Try to distribute that as evenly as possible. Once your Alfredo sauce is in, go ahead and add your meat. Even that out a little bit. Then go ahead and top it off with some mozzarella. After you add your mozzarella, go ahead and top it off with some parsley, and then toss it in the oven on 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. I let this sit for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and dig in. I'm going to cut the top layer of cheese first because that's kind of thick. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, this looks delicious. Look at that. It looks creamy and saucy and yummy. Now that I've served it out, I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese on the top, and I'm going to go enjoy dinner. Have a great night.